At Tickeron, we've been doing a lot to help active traders succeed in the market. From AI robots to magic links, we've got you covered. But we've gotten messages from people who want to earn passively, who want their money to make money, and their money's money to make money too. So in this video, I'm going to show you the safest stocks to grow your income passively. Your money will be making money while you're sleeping, while you're eating, while you're working. But before we get into the video, I just wanted to remind you that the link for the exact screener I use in this video is in the description. This screener is updated and backtested in real time, so even if you missed out on the opportunity in this video, there will be plenty more opportunities. If you want, you can even add it to your bookmarks and get the stocks with the lowest risk and highest reward every day before the market opens. Now, hit that like button, subscribe to stay updated with all our latest AI trading advantages, and let's get right into the video. Starting on the Tickeron homepage, click on the Screener tab and hit Popular Filters. This is going to show you the most popular filters for Tickeron users. Then, we are going to click the top one, stocks with price growth and small drawdowns. Now I know what you're thinking, there are a lot of strong companies on this list, but we are going to give you the 3 strongest companies to put your money into and hold right now. The first is PYPL, or PayPal. Everybody watching this video has heard of PayPal, but you might not know how strong of a performer it is. Since eBay spun it off in 2014, it has been on an upward trajectory and in the past year has grown almost 87%. Recently, PayPal has consolidated after breaking $200 in its latest run, which means that it is a great time to get in at a discount. The next stock is ROP, aka Roper Technologies. Roper has been performing consistently well for a long time and continues to do so. Growth and Roper go well together, which is why this is our second pick. And last but not least is AVGO. AVGO, better known as Broadcom, is an image of stability. With a 3.95% dividend, it will pay you for holding it, not to mention the impact that 5G will have on this stock. And remember, if you're watching this video at a later date and you're worried you missed out on the opportunity, use the link in the description and see the hottest stocks for any industry you're interested in real time. And best of all, it's free. Thank you for watching and let us know what industries you're looking at in the comment section below.